I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up your payout method on Shopify is essential for getting paid for your sales. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is where you allow manage all your store settings. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once you're in your admin panel, scroll down to the bottom left corner and click on settings. This will open a new menu where you can adjust various aspects of your store. Step 3. Select payments. In the settings menu, find and click on a payment. This section allows you to manage how you receive payments from customers. Step 4. Choose your payout method. In the payments section, you'll see options for different payout methods. Select the one that suits your business best, such as PayPal or bank transfer. Make sure to follow the prompts to enter your account details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your payout method information, don't forget to click the Save button at the top right of the screen. This ensures that your changes are applied. If you miss this step, your payout method won't be updated. Now you're all set up to receive payouts on Shopify. If you run into any issues, double check your account details and settings. Happy selling!